Today's session from our very first question, namely, what is what are problem solving steps? Okay, problem solving steps are mainly divided into two subparts further, namely flowchart and algorithm. Now there may be a question arising into your mind: what is this new term known as flowchart? What's the second new term named as algorithm? So let's clear your doubt and move further. Okay, first question would be, what is algorithm? A step-by-step solution of any problem is called an algorithm. Now you might not get this with the definition, but let us go with the example. And like how, for an example, our first example is how to prepare a tea. Show the algorithm for it. Now the algorithm, let's revise once. A step-by-step solution of any problem is called algorithm. So now where are the steps? So we mentioned here the steps, all the steps. Okay, step 1, step 2, and let me clear, there are two steps which are always decided in the algorithm and flowchart, that is step 1 and last step. Step 1 comes with start and last step ends with stop. This is permanent, it won't change at any cost. Okay, these are rules of writing algorithm and flowchart. So step 1 always comes with start, step last always comes with stop. Okay, in between we have to write all the steps how to prepare a tea. Step 1 is start, step 2 is light up the gas stove, step 3 would be keep utensil on the gas stove, and what would be step 4? Add some water, sugar, ginger, milk, and tea powder to the utensil. Okay. And what would be the step 5? After a boil to this mixture, serve this into a cup. It's very simple. Steps are to be memorized? No. We have to always rethink about the steps. Now this question can also have multiple types of algorithm. So I can write step 1 start, step 2 after changing it I can write light up the stove and keep the utensil on it. We can manage steps, two steps in a step 2, and we can join merge that. So there are multiple algorithms for a single question. Okay, then after a boil to the mixture, serve it into a cup, and the last ending step is what? Yes, it's stop. Okay, step 6 is stop. Now the second question arises, what is flowchart? Flowchart is a pictorial representation of algorithm. Whatever algorithm is being shown, it has to be represented into a pictorial form. Pictorial form does means a rectangle, a bracket. That does mean a bracket does mean input output. Means there are several steps. Now this bracket, you can see here, this bracket indicates input and output. Here input is with the same and output with the same bracket. So you may understand. Step by step we'll go further. Okay. It does mean steps are shown in a pictorial way to let it understand clearly which stream has what task in it. For example, how to prepare tea, show that flowchart. Now the same whatever steps we wrote here of an algorithm, we are adding it into the flowchart in a pictorial way. Now the first and last step is always decided. So first step is start, second light up the stove. Okay, and then keep utensil on the gas. Okay, and whatever you can see these arrows, this arrow is known as lines in the flowchart, flow lines. Okay, or arrows that are showing the algorithm of flowchart. Okay, then add some water, sugar, ginger, and milk. Here also we can write, and tea powder. Okay, then if boil happens, if no boil happens, then we are ending here. Then we end here. Stop. And if a boil happens, And if the boil happens, yes, serve into the cup, and then we have to end it. That's it. This was enough for knowing that what is problem solving, what are problem solving steps in algorithm in a flow chart, and we may practice this in next lecture. If any doubts arise, please comment. I'll be waiting for your responses. Okay, so let's end this lecture. Thank you so much.